In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increment numbers and number rows in Google Sheets. Whether you're a seasoned spreadsheet enthusiast or just getting started, knowing how to efficiently number rows can save you time and enhance your data organization skills. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Google Sheet. You can do this by heading over to your Google Drive, finding your spreadsheet file, and clicking on it. Alternatively, you can create a new sheet if you're starting from scratch. Once your sheet is open, you're ready for the next step. Now that your sheet is ready, select a cell to start your numbering sequence. Click on the cell where you want your numbers to begin. This is usually the first cell in the column where you want to establish a row numbering system. The next step involves typing in the first few numbers of your sequence. Go to the first cell in your designated column and type in the number 1 in cell A2. Then, move to the next cell, A3, and enter the number 2. Continue to cell A4 and type in the number 3. This step sets up the initial sequence for Google Sheets to recognize the pattern you want to extend. With your initial numbers typed in, it's time to use the powerful tool called autofill. It's super handy for extending sequences like this across a multitude of rows. To do this, highlight the cells A2 through A4. You'll notice a small blue square at the bottom right corner of your highlighted area. This is known as the fill handle. Click and hold this blue square, then drag it down the column as far as you need your numbering to go. As you release it, you'll see Google Sheets automatically fill in the rest of the numbers, following your initial pattern. It's a simple drag and drop action, but incredibly efficient for adding sequential numbers to a large set of rows. And just like that, your rows are numbered in no time. This method not only helps keep your data organized, but also makes it easier to reference specific rows later. It's particularly useful in large data sets where manual entry would be cumbersome. So there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to increment numbers and number your rows in Google Sheets. Practice this a few times, and you'll become a pro at organizing and managing your data with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheeting.